Yeah, it's all messed up. It's still within certification, but this is what I'm dealing with. So, it's about time that I give it some love. What is up, guys, and welcome to this video. We are going to be taking apart the fuel cell and sanding it down, repainting it because we've got some corrosion on the outside and it just doesn't look good. We're refreshing the car and I want everything to be nice and clean. So please enjoy this video. Alright, so it looks like we've got a really nice thick coat on there of primer. So I actually ran out of red, and when I went to the store I meant to go buy some more red, but see, I forgot. I'm partially doing this because I'm being lazy, and I'm partially doing this because I actually kind of like the color. So we'll see. I am actually really freaking happy that I did this. Looks so baller. I love it, and I love that hammer finish. can see me. So there you guys have it. This is us refurbishing my fuel cell, getting it ready to put it back in the car, getting the car ready for competition this year. Super excited. Please stay tuned to see more cool videos like this, more cool videos of the car, and that's about it. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, hit the notification button. Oh, and as always, keep it sideways.